The FBI just issued a public warning claiming that cyber criminals are targeting users of employee self-service websites. Cyber criminals are using fraudulent search engine advertisements to direct users to malicious websites that mimic the legitimate sites but steal login credentials and other financial information when the victims log in. They've seen it on company websites, local banking institutions, payroll sites, unemployment programs, and even health savings accounts. The fraudulent URL often appears at the top of the search results and mimics the legitimate business URL with only minimal differences. The cybercriminals intercept those credentials and then can log into those accounts as the victim. They're able to get around things like multi-factor authentication, either using social engineering or having the victim enter in the multi-factor authentication token right into the phishing website itself. The FBI is urging people to exercise caution when clicking on advertisements. They're also recommending that before clicking on any advertisement, check the URL to make sure the site is authentic. They also recommend typing the business's URL in directly and using ad blocking extensions when performing internet searches. They also suggest a good idea of using bookmarks or favorites for navigating to login websites. If you believed you've clicked on a fraudulent search engine advertisement, report the fraud immediately to the FBI Internet Crime Complaints Center. That's IC3.gov. They've been successful in saving victims from losing hundreds of thousands of dollars. Follow us for more.